Hello and welcome to HistoryPod. On the 12th of January 1967, Dr. James Hiram Bedford became the first human being to be cryonically preserved. James Bedford had been a psychology professor at the University of California, Berkeley, before developing kidney cancer that later metastasized to his lungs. He died aged 73 in the early afternoon of the 12th of January 1967, at which point his body was packed in ice, while the nursing home staff located the president of the Cryonics Society of California, Robert Nelson. Nelson and the two other members of the Cryonics suspension team arrived around an hour after Bedford's death. They proceeded to inject him with dimethyl sulfoxide, a cryoprotectant chemical intended to protect his tissue from freezing damage, after which they transferred his body to a box insulated with foam. Nelson later revealed how he initially kept Bedford's body frozen using blocks of dry ice in a garage in Topanga Canyon, since his cryonic capsule was not ready. Bedford was subsequently moved to the Cryocare Equipment Corporation in Phoenix, Arizona, and then to a number of other locations before finally arriving at the Alcor Life Extension Foundation in 1982. In the interim, Bedford's wife and son faced lengthy and expensive legal challenges from other relatives over both the contents of his will and the very act of his cryopreservation. The $100,000 that Bedford had set aside for cryonics research was spent many times over, and so, following the death of his wife Ruby in 1987, the Alcor Foundation assumed all financial responsibilities associated with his continued cryonic suspension. His frozen body remains with them now, while research into reviving cryopreserved humans continues.